Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexington Company. So in today's video, we are going to talk about a very important case which comes under the ambit of international investment arbitration. So the name of the case is National Grid versus Argentina, and it is a 2008 judgment. So in the case of National Grid versus Argentina, it was a case regarding the arbitration clause conducted under the International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes, which is the ICSID. So now talking about the case, so basically National Grid, a British multinational electricity and a gas utility company, had investments in Argentina's electricity distribution sector through its subsidiary, Emfras de Electrorat El de Pa, which is the EEP. So it is the name of the company. My pronunciation may be wrong in this case because the pronunciations are as per the Argentina guidelines or the language that is prominent out there. So basically, talking about the case. So National Grid, a British multinational, is an electric company, as I told you right now. So Argentina experienced a severe economic crisis in the early 2000s, leading to the government implementing various measures impacting the energy sector. Disputes arose between National Grid and Argentina regarding these measures, prompting National Grid to initiate arbitration proceedings under the ICSID. The primary issues included allegations of expropriation, breaches of the fair and equitable treatment, and violation of stability and predictability obligations. The arbitration tribunal in this case consisted of three arbitrators, in which one arbitrator each was appointed by the parties, and the third was chosen by the agreement. The tribunal ruled in favor of National Grid, finding that Argentina had breached its obligation under the United Kingdom-Argentina Bilateral Investment Treaty. The tribunal concluded that Argentina's measure amounted to the indirect expropriation of National Grid's investment in violation of a BIT. It also held that Argentina's action breached its obligation to provide fair and equitable treatment to the National Grid. So now talking about the decision which was given by the arbitration tribunal. So the tribunal determined that Argentina's measures had undermined the stability and predictability of the regulatory framework, further violating the BIT. Additionally, the tribunal found that the Argentina's imposition on tariffs on National Grid's services was discriminatory as well. So in this case, the tribunal awarded compensation to National Grid, including damages for losses suffered with costs and interests. The specific amount of compensation awarded to National Grid was basically not publicly disclosed. So now I'm just going to summarize this overview. So National Grid versus Argentina was a case which involved a dispute between National Grid, an electric company, which with the Argentina regarding measures implemented by the Argentina in the electricity distribution sector. The tribunal ruled in favor of National Grid, finding that Argentina had breached its obligation under the BIT, resulting in the award of compensation to the investors. So if you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can just leave me in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible.